Hello everyone, I'm your host Gaurav and today I'm going to teach you how to make a Tequila Sunrise in 1 minute. It is just a 3-ingredient drink, tequila, orange juice and grenadine. This cocktail is generally done in a build-up way, but I like to shake this cocktail because it has orange juice in it. So let's start. 120 ml of orange juice. $60 ml of your tequila. Let's shake. So now before straining my cocktail, I'm going to put just 10 ml of grenadine in my glass and top it up with ice. And now I'm going to strain my cocktail. You can now use your bar spoon and then just stir it up a bit. And for your garnish, you can use an orange peel. There you go guys, your Tequila Sunrise. Cheers.